Alright, there's a snowstorm right now. There's already been an inch or two of snow. You can't see how heavy it's snowing. It's snowing pretty heavy. Earlier there was sleet and then it turned into snow. And the snow is supposed to continue into tonight and tomorrow. It may even get worse between now and tonight. Actually, it's supposed to get worse, and I will probably make an update for that. Yeah, it's making up for all the snow that melted from that blizzard that we had last month. Some of the snow is still there, and the temperature is somewhere in the 20s or 30s. Snow, I would say, is very wet. Some say it's near 32 degrees. It's been snowing since this morning.